Welcome to the very first lesson in the IoT Creator course. In the upcoming labs, we're going to build a complete IoT system from scratch using IoT Creator. Specifically, we'll be building a smart sprinkler system. Here's the use case. You've got a lawn, you need to water that lawn, you want to start with some basics. Your yard is broken down into zones, maybe because some zones get more shade than others. You want to be able to turn your sprinkler zones on and off, and you want to be able to individually set the duration to water each zone. So maybe for every other day, you want to water zones 1 and 2 for 10 minutes and 3 and 4 for 20 minutes. That's a fairly basic sprinkler system. But you also want your sprinkler system to be smart. We're going to pull in weather data and adjust our sprinkler based on the weather. So we'll prevent our sprinkler from running if it's raining, and we'll adjust the amount we sprinkle if it's colder. And we'll chart these savings so we know how much water and ultimately how much money our intelligent sprinkler is saving us. Lastly, you'll take this logic and you'll control actual hardware. In this case, we're controlling a Shelly relay switch, which could in the real world connect to a sprinkler or a refrigerator or any other device and control it. And that's one of the main benefits of IoT, isn't it? That's why we're here. So to perform these labs, all of the instructions are given to you in video form and text form. You'll be able to see and read how to do something, and then you can perform it yourself on your own IoT Creator instance. In addition, each lab is preceded by a theory lesson where you'll learn about the concept that you're using in the lab. These lessons are important in helping you understand what you're doing as opposed to just repeating what I'm doing. And then finally, it'll be a great accomplishment if you can follow this course to completion and build your own IoT system from scratch. But the real test of your skill is if you can understand what's happening in each step and then be able to expand on the system with your own ideas. You'll have a greater chance of doing this if you can follow along carefully with the lessons, experiment with each lab step until you fully understand it, and finally, just have the confidence that you certainly can build your own IoT system. So welcome once again, and I'm wishing you luck as you start this course.